The Suna House, designed by YDR Estudio, rests on a sublime stretch of coastline in La Ribera, B.C.S, Mexico, nestled between the expansive blue of the sea and the rugged majesty of the mountains. This vacation home is a masterpiece of architectural elegance, seamlessly merging with the surrounding natural environment. As guests approach the property, they are greeted by a sense of understated grandeur, where every element is meticulously planned to enhance the experience of serene luxury. The house doesn't just sit on the landscape. It becomes a part of it, blending raw natural beauty with refined architectural sophistication. The entry sequence sets the tone for the journey into the home. A cactus wall, both functional and aesthetic, introduces the property, immediately grounding visitors in the desert context. Flanking the entrance are two mirror image modules, a car garage and a service house that are skillfully integrated into the overall design. These modules, covered in local stone, mirror the sandy textures of the environment, offering a harmonious introduction to the space. As visitors pass through this initial area, desert-inspired patios on either side act as guiding paths toward the main house, evoking a sense of journey and discovery. At the heart of the Suna House lies a central circular patio, a key design feature that embodies the spirit of the home. This space serves as the communal hub, a versatile area where relaxation, social interaction, and quiet contemplation occur in equal measure. In the center of this patio, a fire pit invites gathering, and the circular sofa surrounding it encourages intimate conversations under the stars. The design of the patio is open to the night sky, making it the perfect spot for stargazing, with the warmth of the fire contrasting the cool night air. It is here that the house feels most connected to its surroundings, offering an unobstructed view of the heavens above. This seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces is one of the defining characteristics of the Suna House. The design encourages interaction with the natural world at every turn, whether it's the sound of the waves crashing on the shore, the feel of the sand underfoot, or the sight of the stars twinkling overhead. The house is not just a place to stay. It is a place to experience the fullness of the natural world, a space where the boundaries between architecture and environment blur into one harmonious whole. In addition to its luxurious amenities, the Suna House prioritizes comfort without sacrificing style. The interior palette is neutral, with soft tones that reflect the colors of the beach and desert outside. This subtle approach to color allows the natural beauty of the surroundings to take center stage, while the clean lines and minimalist design create a sense of calm and tranquility. Every room in the house is designed to be a sanctuary, a place where guests can retreat and unwind, free from the distractions of the outside world. The thoughtful organization of the house ensures that every space feels connected to the natural world. 6 bedrooms are laid out to maximize the interplay between interior comfort and exterior beauty. The master bedroom faces the beach, allowing for breathtaking views of the ocean at sunrise, while a second master bedroom looks inward toward the circular patio, offering a different but equally peaceful perspective. 2 additional bedrooms share a bathroom with a bunk bedroom and face a desert-inspired patio, bringing the rugged beauty of the landscape into these private spaces. The bathrooms, finished in travertine marble, complement the natural tones of the house while adding a touch of refined luxury. Stepping out onto the front terrace, the full magnificence of the Suna House becomes apparent. The terrace extends outward, merging with the beach beyond, and features a series of sculptural concrete cubes that form the pool, jacuzzi, and steps leading directly to the sand. These concrete elements, both functional and artistic, enhance the sense of integration with the environment. The pool and jacuzzi offer luxurious relaxation while remaining in harmony with the natural surroundings, blending into the beach without disrupting the serene beauty of the coastal landscape. The circular patio anchors the home, but the living spaces surrounding it are equally impressive. These spaces are designed to be fully open, creating a fluid transition from the entrance of the home to the terrace that overlooks the beach. This openness allows for cross-ventilation, ensuring that the cool coastal breeze flows through the house, reducing the need for artificial cooling. The design emphasizes the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living, a theme that runs throughout the property. The beach feels like an extension of the home, a natural continuation of the interior spaces. Ultimately, the Suna House is more than just a vacation home. It is a sanctuary designed to offer an extraordinary retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Its thoughtful architecture and meticulous attention to detail make it a place of unparalleled luxury, while its deep connection to the natural world ensures that it remains grounded in the beauty of its surroundings. Whether gazing at the stars from the circular patio or stepping onto the sandy beach from the terrace, every moment spent at the Suna House is an opportunity to connect with nature, relax in style, and experience the true essence of coastal living.